Amazon has 70,000 toys. It has to pack them in boxes with each box containing 625 toys. Find the number of boxes required to pack all the toys. 70,000 toys in 625 boxes means, suppose if I give you 10 toys to pack in 5 bags. So how will you pack them? You will pack 2 in each bag, because 10 divided by 5. Similarly, here 70,000 divided by 625. Same logic. So 70,000 divided by 625. Now see here, it's very difficult to solve 70,000 divided by 625. Let's try some simpler option. 625 ones it will give you 625. What is remaining now? 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus, now 9 minus 2, 7. And bring this 0 down. So 750. 620, now 750 divided by 625. Now it's also very less, the difference is less. So it will be 625 ones are 625. So you got 1 and 1. Now don't try with the remaining problem now. Just check in the options which option has got 1 1. So D is the option. So why to waste your time in solving the remaining problem? Answer is D. Tick.